MetaTrader4 Forex winning trading strategy. This strategy is really meant for MetaTrader4 Forex brokers and it's not meant for MetaTrader5 Forex brokers. You cannot use this on derived platform. This is really meant for MT4. Before you take any trade, make sure you check Forex Factory to see if there's any news that may affect your analysis. Welcome to Profiting Forex Trading channel. If today is the first time of coming across my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you subscribe and do give me a thumbs up. Do not forget to turn on the notification button so that you'll be notified each time I share another winning forex trading strategy, either for MetaTrader4 brokers or for MetaTrader5 forex brokers. Make sure you trade on regulated forex brokers. Before you deposit your hard-earned money, make sure you open an account and do open a demo account so that you'll be able to practice your strategy on forex demo account before you go live. When your analysis or your trading is consistent, then you can go live, but make sure you practice on demo account, either on MetaTrader5 forex brokers or on MetaTrader4 forex brokers. It depends on the indicators or strategy you are using. Make sure you trade on regulated forex brokers. It is important. Now let's move on to today's strategy. On my screen here I have few indicators that I've been using, and if you are in my Telegram group, you'll have seen some of the results that I'll be posting, and I promise to share this particular strategy so that anyone can use it. It is consistent and you can use it profitably on MetaTrader4 forex brokers, but make sure it is on regulated forex brokers. Now let me show you how the strategy works before I show you all the indicators I use and the settings. The number one indicator on my chart is this particular indicator here with the red line and the white here. The red means sell, while the white means buy. That we should only take a buy trade when we have the white line here. And yes, another indicator, this is sell, and then when it's changed to blue is for buy. As the same indicator, this same indicator that gives us this star, this white star and red star. And the other indicator I have on the main chart is this arrow indicator that does not repaint, also is for buy. The red is for sell, while the green means we should buy, that is pointing up. This is buy. Then I have an Ikinashi indicator, which is a bit different from the normal candle indicator, and I'll show you how to use it and why I have it on my chart. And the last indicator I have here is this indicator in the indicator window. I'm going to show you all the indicators in the course of this video. Just make sure you follow me closely, know how to use it first before you look for the indicator or before you download it. And this is all the indicators I have here for now, but let's move ahead and see how to use these indicators profitably. With this indicator, you do not need to add other indicators or look for any other strategy. I have been saying it on my channel that once you get a good strategy that I've posted, there's no need for you to watch my video again. Just make sure you use that strategy profitably, stay with it and keep on mastering it. That's the best way to trade. I'm not part of those people that they make money solely on the making video on YouTube channel. I am a trader and I have other things that I do. So I'm only sharing this for us to make money together profitably. Now, having said that, let's see some analysis on this particular chart. This is EU and Australia dollar. So the first thing you have to look out for any trade you want to take at all is this particular indicator here. For a sell, this must be present, and then after we have this, then look for this second indicator. It must be present, this must be present, and finally this must cross for a sell, as we have it on our chart here. And this is a sell signal. Everything confirmed at this particular point. At this point, we have all the indicators in agreement for a sell, and at this point you can place your trade, and your stop loss will be few pips above the previous high, and this is the previous high. Now, the Inclination indicator that I added, and I'll show you how to use it profitably. Let me enlarge this a bit so that you'll be able to see clearly what I actually want you to see. Now let's go back to a bit and see the history. Now this Inclination indicator, you find that it's a bit different from other candles. Here, this does not have any wick here. You find that the head is flat, this red is flat, and here the bottom is flat also. These are the best position to place your trade, either for sell or for buy, when every indicators or other indicators are in agreement. Now, for instance, we have a sell signal here. This line generated a sell signal for us, and we have this Inclination candle here, no wick above. This is a good sell signal at this particular point. But if you have to wait for other indicators, here is another point at this candle to place your trade. Here is another point to place your trade. There's no wick above here for you. There's no wick above here, so you can place your trade at this particular point here. So this is what this candle, Inclination candle, is meant for, and that is why I love it. Now, for continuation of this particular trade, provided you've missed this or you want to enter more trade, then this is another point for you to enter. Here we have the arrow at this particular point for continuation. Still in agreement with this, we have this line, but on this candle we have a confirmation. There's no wick above here, so this was the right point to place another trade, and if you place it, you are going to make money trading this. And here is another point. We have this arrow. Every other thing still remain the same. You can place your trade after the close of this. Also, this is a confirmation, and this is how to trade this market profitably. Do make sure you follow this simple strategy. You can use it on any time frame you want. And let's check it on another piece. The methodology remained the same. Let's check Euro New Zealand. This is still the same thing. Just make sure you trade it profitably. There's no strategy that is 100% accurate. At this particular point, we have all the indicators in agreement here. We have all the indicators in agreement, but this did not deliver. So if you want to trade on 15 minutes, make sure you check 1 hour time frame before you trade on the 15 minutes, and make sure you only trade in the direction of the main trend. Now, I use this particular strategy on a volatile pairs. Let's go to US Tech. I do use this on 5 and 15 minutes. This is 5 minutes chart, and here is 1 minute chart. So if I want to trade on 1 minute chart, I will check 15 minutes. The 15 minutes is up. We have it at this particular point. You can demarcate it. This is a continuation. The buy started a day before. At this particular point, this is where we have the buy since yesterday, and today is another day, and you want to trade, then you just need to trade in that direction. Just have to trade in that direction, and the only trade you are going to take is buy. You only take buy setup on lower time frame. So you only trade in the direction of the main trend. You only take a buy trade on lower time frame. If it is on 5 minutes you want to scalp, then check 15 minutes also. 15 minutes is up, then trade on 5 minutes, only take a buy, and you find out that you have good result. Here are the setup on 5 minutes chart. So we have a good buy here, continuation here. As I said earlier, there's no wick below this candle, so you can keep on riding this particular trend. So this is how to use this particular strategy. You can use it on any pairs you want to trade. This Great Britain pounds New Zealand, still the same methodology. This is USD Japanese yen, and here is it on US 30. The methodology remain the same, and let me go over it again as I put a stop to this video. Make sure you trade. The first thing you have to look out for is the setup. All the indicators must be in agreement. If you want to scalp either on 5 or 1 minute time frame, make sure the 15 minute is pointing in the same direction. Then you go to 1 minute time frame to scalp, or 5 minute time frame to scalp. If you want to trade on 15 minutes, go to 1 hour and see the direction. When it is confirmed, then come back to 15 minutes to place your trade. And if you want to go for small pips, you can trade on the lower time frame, which I usually do. I'll just place sit down for a few minutes and make sure I scalp few pips before I get out from the trade. So once all the indicators are in agreement, then you can go to lower time frame to place that particular trade. So at this particular point, we have a buy setup here on the 15-minute time frame for a buy. All the indicators were in agreement. Then I'm going back to a lower time frame. You can demarcate this. And this is where we have it on the 15 minutes. So I'll go back to 5 minutes now to go and take only buy trade in the direction of the main trend. And here is it on the 5 minute time frame. At this particular point, you can keep on taking your trade, taking more buy, and sell a signal generated. You are not going to take it. So this is invalid, not in line with our main trend. Here is correct, and here we have another correct signal. Find out if you follow that simple trade, you will always be in profit every day you trade. And this is how to grow your account. As I said earlier, no strategy is 100% accurate, so follow money management. Do follow money management. Now let me show you all the indicators I use for this particular strategy. This is trend lot indicator, this particular indicator here, and I have an inclination auto width indicator, this particular indicator that I told you how to use it, and I have this multi MA indicator that give us this arrow. I only use the arrow from this particular indicator, and I have trend envelope indicator, this white and red line here, the symbol changer, and my RSI OMA indicator at the indicator window here. So there's no need for me to show you all the settings to keep this video short. Just make sure you download the indicators. I did include my template. Make sure you use my template, then you have the same chart like mine. If you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you do so. Do give me a thumb up and turn on the notification button so that you'll be notified each time I share another winning forex trading strategy, either for MetaTrader4 forex brokers or for MetaTrader5 forex brokers. Make sure you trade on regulated forex brokers. As I said, we have our best forex brokers outside there, either for MetaTrader4 or for MetaTrader5. Do check my video description because I did drop some links to some of these top forex brokers. Till I come your way again, I remain your fellow forex trader Joe, and bye for now.